gas business in Nigeria is what I am addressing in this video today. Business plan for a successful cooking gas business in Nigeria is what I am looking at today. Majority of homes in Nigeria currently use cooking gas for their cooking. The reasons are not far-fetched. Compared with kerosene, it lasts longer. For the same amount that kerosene will spend, a cooking gas will last longer and will cook your food faster. The cooking gas does not leave black spots on your pot, and then it is a clean gas. Now, because of this, many Nigerians are going for this cooking gas for their food supplies. How then do you go about starting the business? That is what I'm going to talk to you about in this video today. Now, enough of complaining about deregulation, increase in fuel price, and many others. Start making money or from any of the petroleum products that Nigeria is producing. Do your business legally and you are consistently going to be smiling to the bank. Now, for you to know how powerful the petroleum industry is, Dangote is working on its refinery, and I think it will be ready very soon for operation. If a whole Dangote, who have been in sugar, who have been in salt, who have been in spaghetti, who have been in Dangote flour, who have been in different even Dangote cement, now is coming into the petroleum industry, you also should know that there's something good for you in this industry. So, it is a lucrative business if you ask me. The first thing you need to do in planning or trying to start this business is to do your research and to plan. Now, when we talk about market research, we're talking about the need for you to conduct thorough research on the local market demand, your competitors, and your regulatory requirements. We need to identify your target market, such as household, restaurants, or industrial clients. The next thing you need to do is to draw your business plan. So you need to develop a detailed business plan outlining your goals, your target market, marketing strategy, financial projection, and risk analysis. If you want me to write a business plan for you, I am available, and I can write a detailed business plan for you outside of this that I'm giving you here. Now, number two thing you need to do is to take care of the legal and regulatory compliance. Company registration, you register with the Corporate Affairs Commission of Nigeria and you get the necessary permits and the necessary licenses. The next thing you need to look at is the safety compliance. Gas or any other petroleum products are inflammable. They can easily catch fire. Because of this, you have to adhere to safety standards for handling and storing cooking gas. You also need to ensure compliance with environmental regulations. Then the location and infrastructure is another thing you need to look at. Choose a strategic location accessible to your target market. Consider proximity to residential areas, restaurants, and commercial hubs. Also consider proximity to the road so that people do not need to look for the gas in a distant place inside of a street. You should be on the main road where cars are passing easily. Then the facilities, set up a well-equipped facility for gas storage and distribution. Ensure proper safety measures are in place. Now, talking about the supply chain and management, the supplier selection. Establish partnerships with reliable gas suppliers. They need to also negotiate terms and ensure a consistent supply of quality gas. Then the storage facilities. Invest in proper storage facilities to maintain the quality and safety of the gas. Now, looking at the marketing and branding. Create a brand. Develop a strong brand identity that reflects safety, reliability, and quality service. Your brand identity also should be at a good price. Your service should be effective and it should be efficient also. Then, talking about marketing strategy, utilize various marketing channels such as social media, local advertising, and partnerships to create awareness. Even the location is a major awareness. Most of your clients are people in your neighborhood or car owners who may, because of your good price, still come around. So all these things play hand in hand. The price must be good for the people also to come around. So your price is good and people are coming around there. You need to educate your customers. Educate customers on the benefits of using cooking gas and provide safety tips to them. Then we move on to sales and distribution. How do you sell? How do you distribute? You sales, consider setting up a retail outlet and explore partnerships with local retailers. Then offer home delivery services for added convenience. Then online presence. You can utilize the social media by creating a user-friendly website for online orders and inquiries. Customer service. Quality service is what is needed. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. Address customer queries and concerns promptly. Feedback mechanism. Establish a feedback system to understand customer needs and improve your services. Then number 8 is safety measures. Because gas is inflammable, it can catch fire easily. You need to train and retrain and keep to safety standards. Ensure that your staff are trained in safety protocols. Educate customers on safe gas usage and storage also. Then emergency response. Have an emergency response team or plan in place and educate your team on how to handle contingencies. Number 9 is financial management, which is very, very critical. Budgeting. Develop a realistic budget that covers startup costs, operational expenses, and contingencies. Financial records. Keep accurate financial records and implement sound financial management practices. Number 10 is sustainability and growth. We need to diversify as the gas business begin to boom. Diversify, maybe into petrol, into diesel, into kerosene, and then into accessories that are related to with the gas. Then you also have to consider scaling up. As your business grows, consider expanding your operations to new locations or markets. By following this guide, you can lay the foundation for a successful cooking gas business in Nigeria. Always stay informed about your industry. This is because the price of gas yesterday may not be the gas today. The gas may go down, it may go up. So if you listen in the news, what you have is that when the price is going up, you know, and you position yourself. When the price is about to go down, you know, and you position yourself also. So whether it's going up or coming down, you are positioned to make money. So this is the business plan for a successful cooking gas business in Nigeria. I'm going to tell you more in the next video, where I'm going to take you through some nitty-gritty of the business plan and how to set up a gas plant in Nigeria. So don't go away, stay tuned, and also watch that video. Bye for now and remain profitable.